Good morning, children. Welcome to my channel, Shishi Thakur. In the last three videos, we have discussed the translation of this chapter 14, Ka Idam Duskaram Kuryat. In this video, we will discuss its exercise. That's why it is part 2. In part 3, first, second, third, in last three parts, we have discussed translation. So let's start discussion of exercise of this chapter, question wise. We'll start with question number 1. It is MCQ. Instructions are like this. Adholikhitabhya vikalpebhya samuchitam uttaram chiruta. Select the correct answers from the options given below. As I have told you earlier, in each and every question, we should try to understand the meaning of that question. Then it will be easy for us to answer in Sanskrit, whether in English. Now, first question goes like this. Chandan dasena amata rakshasya gruhajana kutra nibahita. Where did Chandan Das give shelter to the family member of Minister Rakshas? So Gruha, in his own house. Amata Rakshas, I mean Minister Rakshas. Chandan Das gave shelter to the family member of Minister Rakshas in his own house. So question number 2. Nandaya kim rochate sma. What was liked by Nanda? Nanda liked money, artha. Question number 3. Trunanam dyas saha virodha kidrusa. Trunanam dyas saha virodha kidrusa. Here meaning is not required. As per the logic, we have to see which word comes after blank. After blank comes saha. Saha means with. It takes an instrumental case. So we have to find the word among the options, which word is having instrumental case. So here, if you look at the first option, it is a question singular. So it's not correct answer. Agnina, Agni has genitive and ablative singular, so not answer. Agni is nominate singular. So Agni the instrumental singular. So wherever saha comes, it takes instrumental. So Agnina is instrumental singular. Now question number 4. Chandan Dasa Sogatam Bhati Aham tu Das. Chandan Das speaks himself Aham tu Das. Aham tu Jata Dosa. Chandan himself speaks that I am at fault. So Jata Dosa. Question number 4. Betaha Purva Raja Purusaha Puranam Gruhesu Gruhajam Rikshipa Desamtaram Das. Frightened people of the former king, keeping their family member in relative's house, goes to other country. So here you see Vitaha Raja Purusa. It is nominal plural, or you can say third person plural. As per the symbol of present tense, it will take anti. So here anti comes here prajanti. So tita anti, third person plural. So it's correct answer. Question number 6. Chanakya yada ahvati tada jas api sasanka bhavati. It is the dialogue of Chandan Das. He speaks when Chanakya calls any person, even the person does not have any fault, his doubt arises or increases. So tada nirdosasya api sasanka bhavati. So nirdosaha api sasanka bhavati. Nirdosa means one who does not have any. Dosa means fault. Nirdosa api sasanka bhavati. It is singular. So sasanka singular. So first option is the correct answer. This is question number 1. Question number 2. Ek vakyana Sanskrit bhashayam uttarata. Answer in Sanskrit in one sentence each. Chanakya so shishya kim kathayati. What does Chanakya say to his own disciple? He says, Vatsa Sreshti Chandan Dasa Atra Anatebhya. He gives order to his disciple, dear son or dear child, Chandan Das should be called over here. Question number 2. Chandragupta kim rochate. What does Chandragupta like? Chandragupta likes Prajanam Pariklesa Bhava. That is there in your textbook. Prajanam means of the people. Pariklesha bhava, lack of, or people should be free from disturbances or sorrow. So Prajanam Kim Rochate will be replaced by Prajanam Pariklesha bhava iti rochate. So Kim will be replaced by Prajanam Pariklesha. Question number 3. Bhupah Pritabhya Prakutibhah Kim ichanti. What do the kings expect from their satisfied people or satisfied subjects? So Pratipriyam, Kim will be replaced by Pratipriyam, means favor. Kings always expect favor from their satisfied subject. Bhitaha Rajapusaha Kutra Gruhajan Niksimte. Where do the frightened people of the king keep their family member? Sojana Gruhe. Kutra will be replaced by Sojana Gruhe or Sogruhe, you can add, in their own house. Okay. Question number 3. Adalikhithanam Krudantanam Prakaram Likhata. Write the type of participle of the following words. So Niskramya ending with ya, so relative participle. Nirbahita, ita sound is there, so karmani bhuta krutanta or past passive participle. Sankaniyaha, aniya is there, so potential participle or vidyartha krutanta. Ishta, it is present participle, but it is not there in the textbook. Frashtavyam ending with tavyam, so it is potential or vidyartha krutanta. Nikshipya again ending with mya, ya, like niskramya. It is also relative participle or sambandhaka bhuta krutanta. Now let us talk about question number 4. Samasa prakaram likhata. Write the type of compound. Samas means compound. Jata dosa, one who is at fault. Here there is no sign in the beginning nor at the end, so you have to find out the meaning. One who is at fault. So one who doju stands for a Bahubri, so Bahubri compound. Bruddhi labha, labha means interest, buddhi means benefit, interest of benefit. So when of comes, it is genitive case. So Sashti Tatpurush, or you can say genitive Tatpurush, Sashti or genitive Tatpurush, both are same. Nanda Rajyam, kingdom of Nanda, again of. So genitive case or Sashti Tatpurush. Parakalatram, wife of others, again of came, so Sashti Tatpurush. Desantaram, ending with antar, so Karmahara compound. Okay, that is question number 4. Now, question number 5. Vachananusaram dhatu rupaihi rikta sthanani purayata. Fill in the blanks with correct verb forms as per the number. Here, numbers are given. So there are 3 columns. The first column stands for singular, second column stands for dual, and third column stands for plural. Okay. So Vachananusar means as per the number. So first of all, we have to find out which tense it is, and tense and person. The first question is present tense first person. Mi vahama. So ichha vaha ichham. Second question is third person, present third person. So ti taha anti, vrajati, vrajataha vrajanti. Third question also ti taha anti, so parikramati, parikramataha parikramanti. And fourth question is future tense third person. Parajesyati, parajesyataha, parajesyanti, ti taha anti. Only sya stands for future. This is the difference. Now question number 6. Rekhankitanam padanam sthane prakashtat uchitam padam chitva prashna vakyam rachayata. Make questions by replacing the words which are underlined by the words given in bracket. So here, as I have told you, if symbols are not matching, then we have to see the meaning of that word. If it is a place, write kutra. If it is a time, then kada. If it is a situation or condition, then kedrusam. So nandasya, here symbol is matching, so nandasya will be replaced by kasya. Prachadana dosam, fault of hiding. Okay, so here what it creates, here question comes what it creates. So kim, किम् उत्पादयति अमात्राक्षसः अह sound is there, so kah Chandan Dasen. Here also symbol is matching instrument singular, so instrument singular Chandan Dasa. Anglo Bhasaya Uttarani Likhata. Write answers in English. How does Chanakya show respect towards Chandan Das? By calling him, by addressing him Shreshtin and Shreshti Chandan Das Atranatibya. He also wants to know about the benefits of his business. All these things shows that Chanakya wants to give respect towards Chandan Das. Question 2. According to Chanakya, in what matter does Chandragupta's kingdom differ from that of Nanda? According to Chanakya, Nanda liked money, whereas Chandragupta likes the people free from difficulties. And there is no place of cunning people in Chandragupta's kingdom. This is the difference according to Chanakya between Chandragupta's kingdom and Nanda's kingdom. Why does Chanakya believe that Chandandas the first opponent of Chandragupta? Chanakya believes that Chandandas is the first opponent of Chandragupta because first he was telling lie that they are not in my house. I mean the family member Rakshas is not there in my house. Later on he is saying, first he was saying they are not there, I don't know. And at last he says they were there at that time. So to keep the family member or to give the shelter to the family member Rakshas indicates that he is the first opponent of Chandragupta. How does Chanakya threaten Chandandas? By handing over the family member Rakshas, he should protect his life as well as his wife. Otherwise, Chandragupta is very strict in giving punishment to those people who are against the king or kingdom. This way, he threatens Chandandas. Question last. What is Chandandas' reply for not entrusting family of Amatraksas? What is Chandandas' reply for not entrusting family member of Amatraksas? He told, even though they were in my house, I would have not submitted, I would have not surrendered. And what to speak about when they are not in my house? So this way he wants to reply about Amatraksas. Okay, this is question number 7. So children, here I have discussed all questions in exercise. If you have any queries, please contact me in my contact details I have given here, and subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends and like it. And if you have any queries, most welcome. Please contact me. I will try to solve the doubts. Don't think this lesson is skipped by the board, so will not study. Don't take it that way, but think that even grammar points are at least helpful for us in board exam. So from that angle, take positively this lesson and read it seriously also. And if you read, at least you will get some idea, you will get some vocabulary knowledge as well as some grammar point, knowledge of grammar point. So it will be helpful to you in some way. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.